to the new series video on chapter Profit Loss from class 7 Mathematics at the Sharma books, and here we are going to solve question number 8 from chapter 12 Profit and Loss. So let's start the answer to solve. A vendor buys oranges at rupees 26 per dozen and sells them at 5 for rupees 13. Find the gain or loss percentage. Look here, when the vendor buys oranges, the amount of oranges is per dozen. The cost price calculated per dozen, but at the time of selling, the selling price counted on 5 oranges. Here, per dozen oranges, cost price and selling price for 5 oranges. So be careful about the cost price and selling price calculated on what amount, the amount of product. Here cost price counted on 12 oranges. Dozen means 12 oranges. So here cost price count on 12 oranges, but selling price counted on 5 oranges. They at 5 for rupees 13. So in this type of questions, first you have to calculate per one, unitary method. If cost price of 1 dozen oranges means 12 oranges. Look here, this is 1 dozen oranges means 12 oranges, and cost price is rupees 26. This is rupees 26. So 1 orange will be, the cost price of 1 orange will be 26 by 12, which is equal to 13 by 6 rupees. Similarly, the selling price comes about its selling price when he sells 5 oranges for rupees 13. So for 1 orange, the selling price will be 13 by 5. So look here, this is the cost price of 1 orange. This is 13 by 6 rupees, and the selling price of 1 orange is 13 by 5 rupees. So now compare whenever there is a loss or profit. So look here, this is 13 by 6 and this is 13 by 5. It is fractions. These are fractional numbers. So, and both are carrying different denominators. So first we have to make this denominator same by taking LCM. So by taking LCM of both 6 and 5, LCM of 6 and 5 will be 30. So you have to make the denominator 30, both of these fractions. So 13 by 6 into 5, this will be 65 by 30. So this is CP. This is CP. This is 65 by 30. CP is 13 by 6. By multiplying 5 with both numerator and denominator, the cost price will be 65 by 30. Similarly, SP is 13 by 5. By multiplying 6 with both numerator and denominator, you will get 78 by 30, which is the selling price with equal denominator. Look here, primarily we have CP and SP and both are in fractions but having different denominators. But after equivalenting their denominators, now we have CP and SP in fractions but having same denominator 30. Look here, CP is 65 by 30 and SP is 78 by 30. So here SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. So there is a profit. So first count the amount of profit. So the amount of profit will be SP minus CP, which is equal to 78 by 30 minus 65 by 30, which is equal to 13 by 30. So the profit amount is 13 by 30. This is the rupees, means rupees 13 by 30. For 1 orange, the profit is 13 by 30 rupees. Rupees 13 by 30. The rupees is in fractional form. And then questions for us to find the gain or loss percentage. Here this is the amount of gain, means whenever selling price is greater than CP means there is a gain, there is a profit. So finally we get the profit, but we have to find out again the profit percentage. So comes to the profit percentage. So profit percentage will be P upon CP into 100. Always remember, the profit and loss will be calculated on cost price, not on selling price. So P by CP into 100. Here P is 13 by 30. This is the profit amount, divided by CP. CP is 13 by 6. 13 by 6 into 100. Look here, this is CP. This is also CP. If you have questions that 13 by 6 here, but here we calculated 65 by 30 at the time of profit calculation. So why we take 13 by 6? Look here 13 by 6 and 65 by 30 both are equivalent fractions. No difference in between these fractions. You can write here 65 by 30 or 13 by 6, but always take the simplest form so that it will be very easy to calculate when there is in fractional solutions, fractional calculation. So here there is a fractional numbers as P and as CP. So here I take the smallest simplest form of this fraction. 65 by 30 is 13 by 6. So this is 13 by 6, and as per the calculation, 13 by 30 into 6 by 13 into 100. This 13 cancelled, this is 5 and this is 20. So the profit percentage is 20%. Profit percentage is 20%. Again I repeat it. Look here, 1 dozen oranges cost him 26 rupees, and for 1 orange it will be 13 by 6 rupees. This is the cost price of 1 orange. And another one tricky, the important matter of this question, that cost price is calculated on 12 oranges and the selling price is calculated on 5 oranges. So first we have to take it in unitary method. So for as unitary method, calculated CP for 1 orange and similarly calculate the SP for 1 orange. Here SP of 5 oranges is 13 rupees and for 1 orange it is 13 by 5 rupees. To compare the SP and CP, to find out the gain or loss percentage, we have to compare the value of SP and CP, but both are in fractional form. So it is not easy to compare because both are carrying different denominators. So first we have to make these two fractions, this CP and SP, with equal denominator. So to do equal denominator, first we have to take the LCM of both the denominator, and LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. So now make the denominator 30. And you know, if you are going to make denominator, or if you want to multiply a number with denominator, then you have to multiply the same number with numerator to balancing the equations, so balancing the fractions. So here I multiply 5 with the CP and multiply 6 with the SP, and then we will get 65 by 30 and 78 by 30. Look here, now both are fractions having equal denominator 30 and 30. This is CP and SP, and according to the comparison of CP and SP, SP is greater than CP because the numerator of SP is greater than the numerator of CP. So here there is a profit, and the profit amount is SP minus CP. Here SP minus CP, the numerical value, and we will get the profit amount. This is 13 by 30 rupees. Now questions for us to find the gain or loss percentage. So profit percentage is P upon CP into 100. This is the P value and this is the CP value into 100. Now calculate as fractional calculation, then your answer is 20%. Here gain percentage is 20% for question number 8. In my next video, we will solve question number 9 from this chapter, from Sharma Mathematics chapter Profit Loss. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.